more sambo for Destroyer SG. Take your leg. Take the back, yeah? Once take the back, is in here. Yeah, we can control in here. Yeah. Once I'm in here, what I should do? Step with this leg deep between his legs. Yeah. Once I have this, I just turn my body opposite in the opposite direction. In here. Yeah. Once I'm in here, grab his ankle. Yeah. And a lot of guys, they used to close like that. Yeah. I like to believe this is the proper way. Yeah. Okay, go for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Close. Okay. This is the common way of doing this skill. Yeah, a lot of people use this. Yeah, but closing like this doesn't mean you have the best variant. Why? I'm going to explain you why. From here, even doesn't matter how we roll, in which position we have these grips. Yeah, I have a chance and I can submit you from this position. How I'm going to do this? Yeah, first of all, yeah, work with this leg, the free leg, yeah, and push my leg on the side and grab his leg and pull his leg, yeah, and now, yeah, I have the submission, yeah, he has nothing, yeah. But my way of doing these things, yeah, put your flat on the ankle, yeah, doing this like this, you know, even if I want to block his attempt in here and I push my leg, even if I do this, I don't have chance to succeed to defense. So I'm gonna try to defense, you just try to feel the, yeah, in here, yeah, nothing to do. So the difference, yeah, show the difference in here, yeah, the difference from this, yeah, when if I push and I pull your leg, yeah, I have the submission, yeah, and put the flat, yeah, trying to do the same thing, yeah. It's the difference between success and failure.
Okay.
I'm Silvio Burg from Phuket Top Team, more sambo for Destroyer AG.